SafeLink Wireless uses three types of PINs to secure your account: voicemail, transfer, and account PINs. Your voicemail PIN, which is 4 to 6 digits long, protects access to your voicemail messages. The transfer PIN is used to transfer minutes or data to another SafeLink phone. The account PIN, which is 4 digits, is for broader account management, like checking your balance or resetting your password. Knowing the difference and how to manage each PIN is crucial for security and account control. The easiest way to find or reset your PIN is through the SafeLink mobile app, available on iOS and Android, or the online portal at my.safelink.com. Download and open the SafeLink app. Log in with your credentials, then navigate to Account Settings and Security. Here you can view or reset your PINs after verifying your identity through biometric or password confirmation. Visit the online portal at my.safelink.com. Log in with your phone number and password, then go to Account Settings and Security. You can reset your PINs after verifying your identity. For limited options, call *611 from your SafeLink phone and follow the prompts. Alternatively, contact customer service at 1-888-562-8666 and provide your account details for identity verification. Enable alerts for PIN changes to detect fraud. Never share your PINs with anyone, and consider using unique codes for different functions.